Hi friends, we did it and we reached 1,000 subscribers. Yay! So let's celebrate. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome back. If you're a returning subscriber, my name's Jonathan. I make luxury videos, unboxings, and reviews, and today is a super special occasion. We finally reached 1,000 subscribers, so let's celebrate. So I thought 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube is a huge milestone, at least for me. So I thought I need to celebrate big as well. So I decided to pick up my very first Zmomo. So let's unbox it together. So as you might be aware, there are no Pop Mart stores here in Canada, at least to my knowledge. So for me to get any of these Labubus, I have to go through resellers. And there is this one store that is in Pacific Mall here in Toronto that sells Labubus, but they do sell them for a little bit of a premium. However, they were selling this guy for over $900. And to be honest, I did not want to pay that for this. So I went to a Facebook group, and let me tell you, these Facebook groups are amazing. So it is a Facebook group for Labubu collectors, and I was able to fortunately get this for retail, which was amazing. And it was from somebody who is in my city. So I didn't have to travel far for it, and I was able to pick this one up. So let's go ahead and unbox it together. So this box is a little bit damaged, but it is perfectly fine because I'm just happy I saved a ton on this item. I've been stalking the Pop Mart website, but for some reason I don't have luck for these kind of things. So I had to go and buy it from the Facebook group. So here you see the Zmomo Angel in Clouds. This is the front of the box, and this is from drop number 2. This is what the side of the box looks like. Again, you see the 2 there, as well as Angel in Clouds. This is the back of the box. The other side, there's only a Pop Mart logo at the top of the box, and then at the bottom there is absolutely nothing. So let's go ahead and open her up. I'm going to do my best here because this box is very huge. So it does come with a tote bag, and here he is, Zmomo Angel in Cloud. So I just set him down for just a moment because I wanted to show you the tote bag that it comes with. I think this is a really great touch. So it does say Zmomo Angel in Clouds on the front, and then it does say the Monsters Zmomo on the back. And then one thing that I like about this bag is it gives you 2 different strap options. So there's a longer one if you wanted to have it longer, as well as a shorter strap, so that way if you just wanted to like hand carry it instead. And this material is kind of like those grocery store bags, so it is very durable and reusable. And fun fact, it does fit the box. And this is what it looks like with the Zmomo box inside of the bag. So if you ever did want to carry him somewhere in the box, this is the vibe that you're gonna have. I think this is a really great touch, or even if you wanted to short hold it like this, you're more than welcome to do so. So if you do purchase it in store, you definitely have something to carry it, so that way you're not walking around awkwardly. Love that. Another thing that I did want to mention before I unwrap him is this one does also come with a collectible card, similar to the other Labubus that I have. However, this one is a lot more hidden than the other unboxings that I've done. So you'll notice right here, there is a box. Take this box out. Do not throw it out. This is where your card lives. So it looks like it's part of the packaging, or at least part of the construction of the box, but it has something inside of it. So make sure you take this out when you're throwing away your box, if you do decide to throw it away. So this is quickly just what the card looks like. It does come with 2 magnetic pieces and then the card itself. I am a little bit disappointed with the card itself, just because, as you can probably see through the video, there are so many scratches on it. I'm thinking there is somewhat of a protective film on here. There has to be, just because it's not as clear as I thought it would be. And it does come with a little stand, so you just put the little stand in like so, and then it just rests, which is how I'm going to display it. I just wish that the card was in better condition. I might try to see if I can find one online, but it doesn't bother me too much because I actually don't know what to do with them other than for display purposes. But I wanted to show you this. YouTube friends, please join me in welcoming Angel and Cloud Z Momo. Oh my god, I'm so happy that he's part of my collection now, and he is extremely soft. Okay, let me go ahead and show you some of the details. So his eyes do move, similar to the Labubu dolls that I have. So they can move outwards, inwards. You can move individually each eye as well. He has a silver tooth, which is different than the Labubu dolls, as well as his feet are painted. But to be honest, my personal favorite part of Zmomo is the back. Look at the detail here. Like he has these little spikes. His tail can move side to side and up or down, as well as so can his wings. His wings can move in any direction that you want. I personally like them like this, laying flat. And overall, I feel like the quality of this Zmomo is so unmatched compared to the Labubu pendants, for example. Like you can tell that they take their time with these dolls. There is a little quick size comparison to a Labubu doll and a Zmomo, as well as a comparison to a Labubu pendant and a Zmomo. It's so cute. Thank you so much for watching. I really do hope you enjoyed today's video. And I just wanted to say thank you, thank you, thank you to each and every one of you who subscribed to my channel, whether it was yesterday, a week ago, or if you're here since the beginning. I truly appreciate each and every one of you for sticking around and joining me on this luxury channel. And I also really, really, really want to express my gratitude towards my sister, Rebecca. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I know you're behind the scenes for most of my channel, but your brainstorming sessions with me for ideas to content create, your strategic direction of how you think this channel should go, I really do appreciate all the advice that you provide to me, and I cannot thank you enough for helping me on this journey. I would not be here without your creative direction. So again, I really do appreciate you every single day. And with that being said, if you like this kind of content and want to see more of me, definitely hit that like and subscribe button. It really does help my channel grow, and I hope to catch you in the next one. Bye for now.